Hi guys, welcome back again. Today I'm going to tell you how can you create custom sliders using the testimonial carousels. So first of all, you need to go to your dashboard. Then from here, just click on save templates. And from here, you need to just click on add new template. From here, just choose the section and insert and write your name of the template. So I will just name it testimonial 1 and then I will click on create template. So here I will show you how can we create our custom slider. So I'll just click on exit, then I will click on here plus icon, and then I will click on flexbox, then I will choose a column here. So from here I will just give it a width of 500 and the minimum height I will make it 400. So here it is. Then I will go back to my widget section here and I will search for icon box. So here is the icon box. So it's totally up to you. How do you want to design your slider? So it's totally up to you. So here it is. Then here, from here, I will just click on 6 dots here. Then I will click on style. On the layout. Here justify content, I will make it center. Line items, I will make it center as well. And then I will click on publish here. And then I will create a new page. So I already created the page. So from here, I will just go back to my templates here. And here I will just copy this shortcode of my carousel that I have created. And in the new page here, I will just search for testimonial carousel. So here you can see the testimonial carousel. I will just drag and drop it here. So here it is. I will just remove these last two here. And here on this section, we'll just remove the content. I will remove the image as well. And the name and the title as well here. I will just paste that shortcode here. So here you can see the first shortcode. I will just duplicate and copy here this one as well. So here you can see first slider, second slider, third slider. And the layout is totally up to you. Slides per view. So I will make it 3. So here you can see. And I will just click on 6 dots here. I will make it center, align item center as well. I'll just click on publish. And I will just click here. You can see here it is. These are my slides, custom sliders. So here it is. If you want to make, just click on additional options. Just click on these sliders, additional options. So if you want to make the auto play speed, let me make it 1000. So it will scroll fast. So it's totally up to you. The dots, if you want to use the dots, fractions. So it's totally up to you. So I will use the dots. I will go to style tab. In the navigation, I will make the color red here. And in the color section, I will make the arrows red as well. I will click on publish. Now you can see here it is. Let me just refresh it again. So it will move a little bit fast now. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, so kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.